Hey, Sweet Hunter here with Our Forever Farm, and Susan at London Sunshine has done it again. So they've sent me a new grill to try out, so I'm gonna get busy and put it together. As you can see, there's not many parts, and believe it or not, I didn't even have to call Val to help. This is unusual. They actually sent a screwdriver and a wrench to help put it together, so thank you for that. All right, let's get started. All right, I finally got it put together, but it only took about 15 minutes, no problem, easy to put together. But one thing I'm finding out, this thing is heavy, so it is well insulated. Of course, it's thick ceramic, so it should really retain the heat and all. But right here, it's got the vent at the bottom, so you can close it like that, let the air through, or you shut it all the way down if you want to choke her down if you're smoking. And then it's got a little vent up on top you can adjust to get your temperature right. Of course, you got your little gauge on top, shows the temperature. Handle up front, just open it up. It's got the rack for the meat right there, and your rack for the charcoal right here. So that just sits right in. And then the rack goes right on top. So what I'm thinking I'll probably do is like tomorrow, I'll probably grill out steaks tomorrow. And then we just had a hog butchered. And I'm gonna try maybe put a half rack of ribs or something on here and smoke them here maybe. It's gonna be about 2 weeks before I get that ready, but we'll try to smoke some ribs. But tomorrow, I'm either going to put me a filet or a New York strip on this baby and grill it. So stay tuned. We'll get back with you tomorrow. Does anybody see what I did wrong? I figured about half the people on here would catch it. But anyway, I got the London Sunshine emblem upside down on the handle. But that's a quick fix. I'll have her fixed in a minute. Okay, Susan, you can calm down. I got it fixed. That's a nice looking grill. Can't wait to try it out.
Very nice.
Hey, I told y'all I'd be back. Okay, I got the charcoal grill going. This is the Kamado tabletop grill from London Sunshine. It's a ceramic grill, and I'm gonna cook some steaks on it today. This is the second grill that we've tested for London Sunshine. The first one was the backpack grill, and so this one is the ceramic grill. And as you can see, you know, it's small. I think I measured the height on it, it's like 19 inches. But anyway, for 2 to 4 people, this thing would be fine. If you got a party of 20, might not be quite big enough. But anyway, we're gonna cook some steaks on it today, and got some New York strips and some fillets. And quick shout out to Anthony at LazyACattleCompany down in Cedartown, Georgia. We bought a beef from him the other day and had it processed, but man, so far everything we've tried from him has been great. So suggest y'all give him a shout out if you're in the neighborhood down there in Cedartown. I got it, it's about 400 degrees right now. And I'm gonna put these steaks on and start grilling. Get that. All right, I got the steaks on. As you can see, flaming up a little, so I'm gonna close the damper and the vent and close the lid and let it choke down a minute. We like ours medium rare, so I don't like to get her cooked too much. Alright, that's about the way I like them. I don't like them too done, so I'm going to get them off. Didn't take long, that was quick. But they are sizzling. Like I say, cooked them in just a few minutes. Of course, we like them medium rare, so. For a small little grill, you can't beat it. Hey, Sweet Hunter here with Our Forever Farm. Well, I'm back at it this week, trying out the London Sunshine tabletop ceramic grill. Did steaks last week with it. Turned out real good, and I'm gonna try some hamburgers this week. I don't know about y'all, but it is hot here in northwest Georgia. I think it's like 95 degrees. Burger's going. I want to show you something out here. We've really done good this year with the garden, and thanks to Val. But as you can see, look at those tomatoes lined up. They're just starting to come in good here. And we've got, I don't know, probably 40 plants altogether. So we will be loaded down, but let me give you just a shot of the gardens. Green beans, squash, okra, tomatoes, peppers. It's really been a banner year considering the weather's been so hot and dry. Something else, Chickie's sunflowers out over here, and the zinnias that she had planted. I'm telling y'all, this is really a nice grill. For 2 or 3 people, it's just perfect. Takes very little charcoal. And as you can see, baby, it is putting some smoke out. Those are going to be tasty. So I'm going to get ready to flip them here. By the way, this meat is from the beef we just had butchered a few weeks ago. So it turned out real well. I think we're trying to maybe grow our own garden, our own beef, our own pork, because tell you what, you listen to the news and read stuff, it kind of scares you. You don't know what you're eating, really. Probably why everybody's in such bad health around this world. You don't know what you're eating. But anyway, we're gonna get ready to put a little cheese on them, and I think they're gonna be ready. Of course, you can't have a hamburger without some good old Dale's seasoning on it. That's always my go-to. Plus, Val's in there cooking, frying up some potatoes, so we'll have some fried potatoes. Of course, we got tomatoes out of the garden, lettuce out of the garden. A little cheese on top. Close it up and get a little smoke flavor on them. Ooh, ain't that sweet. It was yours. Man, it feels good. No.
I mean, I gotta drill that out. I am going to cut an onion.
All right, here's the finished product. Now this is the way we do it at Our Forever Farm, so check that out. And again, I want to thank London Sunshine for letting us be part of this. Thankful that they let us try out their grill, and like I say, a thumbs up to it. I think it does a great job. And we got Val over here chopping onions.
Slicing onions. Slicing onions, sweet hunter.
Yeah.
So
I don't know whether y'all know I don't like onions. I don't like the smell of onions.
He's
So.
getting far away.
So I stay away. But anyway, I'm going to go eat my hamburger. So thank y'all so much for watching. And remember, y'all go cook something.
The link for this grill and the discount code is in the description box for our viewers.
Thank y'all so much for watching. And remember, this is the London Sunshine Kamado tabletop ceramic grill.